Tonight, we are getting another look at the recent arrest of a now former Douglas County judge outside of a Buckhead club.
That's right. Atlanta police issuing a statement saying Christina Peterson rushed towards a security guard who was escorting someone out of the club and then started screaming at the guard and police before pushing the officer multiple times. 11 Live's Molly Oak watched this extended police body and dash cam video that was released today, and she's breaking that down for us tonight.
June 20th, when Atlanta police arrested former Douglas County probate judge Christina Peterson outside a Buckhead club. This video was released within a week of her arrest, where Atlanta police say Peterson pushed an officer in the chest.
Well, he got body cameras saying that. And I would love to see it. Can you play it back?
An extended look now coming from the camera's view of the back seat, where Peterson was for hours.
Disrespecting the black women. Falsely accusing the black women.
The footage starts with her continually praying, with some interactions with officers and what sounds like someone over the radio.
What did she do? Nothing. Nothing, ma'am. Nothing. He hit a woman. He abused a woman, ma'am.
And calling for people to
look at the videotape, ma'am. He punched a woman to the ground and then he did me the same.
On previously released body camera footage, it shows the officer saying Peterson punched him.
You just punched the cop.
No, I did not!
Back in the back seat,
he said I punched him. That's
about 15 minutes in, you hear the officer ask for her name, and when she doesn't respond, he continues asking.
You want to provide your name? So you
I know my rights.
Okay.
I have not committed a crime. Book me in right now.
Okay, I need your name.
Book me in. I have not committed a crime. Book me in.
Throughout the footage, you can hear officers explaining that they need her name, which Peterson refuses to give. Peterson begins cursing at the officer, telling him she's not a felon. The officer then tells her,
"You are under arrest for disorderly conduct."
Peterson was actually charged with simple battery against a police officer and obstruction of law enforcement officer. After more than 3 hours, we see Peterson get out of the car for good. Peterson was later released on a $5,000 bond. Her attorney previously told 11 Alive that he believes charges will get dismissed. Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.
And we do know that the Georgia Supreme Court removed Christina Peterson from the bench in Douglas County on June 25th. This was days after her arrest. But this decision was in response to more than 24 unrelated charges of judicial misconduct. And earlier this week, the county swore in a new probate judge to replace Peterson.